Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. And today I'm going to be discussing about this cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is a highly professional, highly demanding technology nowadays. Everybody is going to be looking into the security levels in the IT industry. Why? Because of the data is very huge. Data is vastly generating from the different kind of platforms, like desktops, applications, web applications, mobile applications, sensors. Okay, so if that much data is going to be generating, data is going to be storing into the servers and data is going to be storing into the databases and data is going to be migrating into the cloud. Okay, and data is basically infinity nowadays. Unlimited data. There are a number of clouds like GCP, AWS, and this Azure, even Salesforce. There are multiple things, multiple factors wherever the data is available, there's security is mandatory. See, for example, if you have some items in your home, that items you need to be make secure, right? In that way, in the particular internet, you will be having a huge amount of the data is going to be generating audio data, video data, textual data, emails, passwords, and some kind of usernames and passwords. So the data, how the data is going to be secure and how the data is going to be transparent and secure in that particular security levels, identity access management is going to be playing a major important role. So identity access management. So the concept identity access management is very, very important and simple. Identity is, for example, everybody have some identity, right? At the same time, every system have some identity, every server have some identity, every office related data have some identity. That identity is important. At the same time, accessing also important. Suppose, for example, in the company, 1,000 people are going to be working. So 1,000 people are going to be having a different email IDs and a different usernames and different passwords. So that usernames and password, how we need to allocate for them. Okay. So everybody is going to be accessing the data accordingly. For example, client side person accessing the client side related data. Server side person can able to access the server side related data. So X person can able to access some X kind of data. Y person can able to access Y kind of data. How to give specific permissions to the particular persons. Okay, so that kind of management's identity access management. So Bonds technology is going to be having a different kind of tools for that. So mostly on this particular IAM, master identity and access management with comprehensive ping identity certifications. Okay, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing the change of the destroying the sensitive information. So extracting money from users via ransomware or interrupting normal business process. In that case, this particular course, ping identity, ping access, ping. Ping is one kind of IAM. So I will show how the ping will be. Let me open IAM. Ping. Let me search for ping. This is the software you are trying to learning later. So ping identity. So this is the platform where you will be having a different kind of platforms and solutions, resources, developers, all these things. So this is the official website for the ping identity. The vision, our experts, identity is the foundation digital growth. With Ping, you will achieve seamless, secure, and scalable solutions customized to your vision. Basically, everybody calling like a word called cybersecurity, but in cybersecurity, 200 plus modules are there. 200 plus modules are there. See, something like ethical hacking, penetration testing, and different cybersecurity in Ping identity, Ping access, and Okta, and Azure Entra ID, and SailPoint, 4G Rock, like that. In cybersecurity, nearby 200 and plus modules are there. But Ping is going to be a one kind of tool, identity access management tool, and with single sign-on, SSO, SAML authentications, and all. And here, this is the course which is not having any programming anywhere. Okay, no programming knowledge is needed, but only integration you need to understand. The integration part you need to understand. See how you are going to be filling the things, how you are going to be allocating the connections, how you are going to be allocating the plugins and all. So that is very much important. The most advanced identity platform this is. And the Ping Identity platform offers unmatched flexibility, resilience, and security to meet most demanding identity challenges. Okay, so here the major important cases I want to tell you. So protect the data. See, the management is there, accessing is there, and governance. So govern nothing but policies. They have some policies. That policies we need to maintain, and we need to give the access with the policies and all. So any identity have some protection and having some experience. So this is the official website for the Ping, and we will install the Ping. We will go through the concepts one by one, and interview cracking is also very very simple. So orchestration and decentralization, identity, fraud prevention. See, lot of things which are going to be available with the Ping. So Mohansh Technologies is providing the classes. Is going to be Mohansh Technologies is only online platform which is going to be giving this particular Ping course with a very less price. Outside people are actually charging like 2 lakh, 3 lakh, something like that. But Mohan's Technologies target is different. We are the real time experts, and Mohansh is the real time expert, and he is going to be a trainer for you, and he is going to be providing you the course PingFederate core components, identity management, SAML 2.0 protocols, and installation and setup. So no worries, setup and installation also we will guide you and we will help you. And data management, security features, all these things we will discuss. And the concept of OAuth 2.0 protocol mastery, authorization grant type, implicit grant type, resource owner grant, and client credentials, Ping access integration like installation, rules and policies, and web management, how you can able to work with all. We guide you and we teach you. Okay, so course duration is only 45 days. In 45 days, you go and learn very, very, very real-time scenarios. Only real-time scenarios, interview-oriented classes. Okay, so this advanced access management, some gateway solutions, session controls, security features like a gateway-based agent, API access management, identity mediation, and session management, cookies and JWT tokens, OAuth 2.0 client integrations, certificate management, identity mapping, and vulnerability patching. All these things we will discuss. And complete learning support and practice tests are there, and mock interviews are also there, and the whatever the course material and all like recorded sessions, all these things, lifetime access we are going to be providing. No worries about it. Remember one major important point here: there is no coding. There is no coding. There is no programming involved. Some different kind of techniques you need to understand. Suppose some kind of XML, how XML will be, how JSON will be, how the little bit little bit concepts you need to understand. No programming needed. And please contact Mohan's Technologies and visit our website. This is going to be having highly demanding, which is having a high paid jobs, actually high paid jobs. No coding, freshers and experience. A lot of job openings are there. So please contact Mohan's Technologies for this particular identity access management course related things. So our website is mohanstechnologies.com. So we are specialized on emerging technologies. Mohan's Technology is going to be providing different kind of emerging courses. Can you see this? Cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, we will be having Ping Federate, Ping Access, Ping DaVinci, Groovy with AI programming, and full stack ML AI, and Ping One AI. Ping One AI. Inside the AI, we will be having data science, prompt engineering, Golang, Microsoft Azure Entra ID, Okta One, full stack Marn with AI, Go language with AI, MuleSoft, Security Operations Center SOC, ethical hacking, AML KYC, blockchain Web3.js, blockchain security, blockchain with Web3.js. There are two programming, and blockchain security also we are providing. Quantum computing we are going to be starting. SOC Analyst we are going to be starting. And we focus only on job related courses. Which technology having highly demanding nowadays? Majorly three things. One is the AI, Gen AI, agentic AI, and coming to the quantum computing, coming to the blockchain, coming to the cybersecurity. Even the BTechs also, people are actually specializing with this kind of techniques only. So previously we have the CSC, ECE, Triple E like that. Specializations are there in the BTech. Okay, so but nowadays from the 4 5 years, People are taking data science, people are taking blockchain, people are taking cybersecurity, and people are taking specializations for artificial intelligence kind of things. Cybersecurity is playing a major role on top of all these different kind of technologies. Why? Because everywhere security needed. Everywhere security needed. Even blockchain also security needed. Even artificial intelligence also security needed. Even web application security needed. Mobile application security needed. Any application you take, guys, ERP application also you take. Every application needed security. That kind of identity access management is one tool in the part of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not a course. Cybersecurity is an environment. Inside that environment, we will be having 200 plus modules available. We are there to provide PingFederate. PingFederate is going to be highly demanding in the market, which is having zero coding knowledge. So that is what actually I want to tell you. And how the jobs will be available for the cybersecurity PingFederate, I will show you now. Now, Naukri I will open. Just I opened Naukri. I'm searching for cyber security. Okay, let me open cyber security. Okay, I'm searching for the keyword cyber security IAM. Okay, Ping Federate. Okay, so just security analyst. That is the basically identity access management. Okay, let me search for the jobs. You will be finding a huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. Security architect, 13,526 job openings which are going to be available. You can open the LinkedIn. LinkedIn also open, and I will show the job openings for the cyber security, IAM technologies like identity access management. And your role will be a security analyst or security uh, architect something. Okay, let me copy the words here. I will copy the words, keywords. Okay, I'm copying all the keywords here, and I'm taking the keywords into the LinkedIn also. I'm showing the jobs, how the cybersecurity jobs which are going to be available in the even LinkedIn also. LinkedIn also, you will be having n number of pages, n number of pages, n number of job openings. No programming needed. Who don't want to go with the programming kind of thing? You definitely come to the IAM trainings, cybersecurity for Mohansh Technologies. Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing a lot of emerging courses only. Only emerging courses. Only emerging courses. We are in online platform, and we will deliver all the exclusive courses only in online. Okay. So dedicated things we are going to be providing for you. No worries about it. Okay. So you will be contact Mohan's Technologies and register for the cyber security trainings. And batch is going to be starting very, very soon. No coding, good jobs, high paying jobs. And your job can be secured for next 20, 30 years. Anyway, the data is going to be increasing automatically, a security more needed. Okay. So from attacks, we need to keep our data secure. The same time in organizations, how you are going to be giving the access management, identity access management for this kind of situations. So that is what actually I want to tell you. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. So if you like the information, you can share this video for your friends and family members and colleagues also. And please comments are needed. If you have any queries and questions, you can contact Mohan's Technologies. So this is the website, and this is the contact. This is the contact number. You can able to call for this, and we will reply to you. Okay. See you signing off. We'll meet in the next video.